Okay, guys, so this is going to be a quick technical analysis on PEPE. Please do me a solid and subscribe to the YouTube channel, click the like button, let's get straight into it. Last time that we talked about PEPE was all the way back here, early April of 2025, and I posted this on my Telegram group. I stated, buy the break above this descending channel. And look what happened after the breakout, guys. Boom, we saw a very nice move of over 140%. Now, I am going to talk about what's the greater idea when it comes to PEPE. And what we see here, looking at this chart, is that we have a very nice cup and handle pattern going on. This is the cup, this rounded bottom. Rounded bottoms pay the bills. You know how it goes. And this is the handle. We have this upper descending yellow trend line that has been acting as resistance. As you see, the price action got rejected here multiple times. For example, here and here and here. And also we have this lower descending yellow trend line that has been acting as support. We had a bounce here, another bounce, another bounce. As long as the price action is moving inside this pattern, we have to assume that it's going to continue moving inside this pattern, downtrending, until it breaks out. And this descending channel, guys, has a 65 to 70% chance of breaking to the upside. So what I am doing with this is I am not willing to buy PEPE right now, as long as it's downtrending. What I'm doing is I am waiting for it to break above this channel so I can buy the breakout, scale on the retest, wait for a continuation, move to the upside so I can take some profits when the price action hits the rest of the targets that I have here on the chart. After the break above this channel, the first target where I am looking to take profits is probably this neckline of this cup and handle pattern that's located at 0.401546. So in order for this cup and handle pattern to play out, what we want to see first is a break above this handle, above this descending channel, and then I want PEPE to start creeping up, coming closer to this neckline, and then we are going to have this amazing cup and handle pattern confirmed, right? And then we are going to be waiting for another breakout above this neckline that's located at 0.401546, so we can buy the breakout here again, scale on the retest, wait for a continuation, move to the upside so we can take some profits when the price action hits the rest of the targets that I have here on the chart. Of course, this cup and handle pattern can get invalidated anytime, guys. Remember, in this channel, we are trading ideas. These are not guaranteed trades that 100% have to play out, right? In trading, nobody has a crystal ball. Nobody knows what the price action is going to do next, and therefore we gotta have a plan no matter what happens. So if this idea gets invalidated, for example, we might see another huge cap here, something like that, or something like this, for example, an even smaller cap forming something like this, right? Nobody knows, but this cup and handle idea looks promising. Remember, this huge cup and handle pattern has a 65 to 70% chance of breaking to the upside if it's completed. So if the price action breaks above this channel, above this handle, and it starts creeping up closer to this neckline, we have a very good chance that we clear the neckline, we come back and get a retest, and then we are going to see a continuation move to the upside. Now, if we zoom in to the 30-minute chart, let's say, we see that PEPE has been forming this ascending triangle pattern. Earlier today, we tried to break above it, but the bears stepped in and pushed the price action back inside this pattern. Again, as long as the price action is moving inside this pattern, we have to assume that it's going to continue moving inside the pattern until it breaks out. If this breaks out to the downside, the next key level of support that I am watching for a bounce is this one here, that's located at 0.401050. And if we experience an even deeper retrace and the price action pulls back and we lose this support, right? We break below this. The next key level of support that I am watching for a bounce is all the way down here. That's located at 0.5097. And this is also the lower descending yellow trend line that has been acting as support, right? The lower yellow trend line of this handle pattern of this huge cup and handle idea that I talked about earlier. If we lose this support, I have a few more support levels here for you that you should be watching for a bounce. If you want to find these key levels of support that I talk about on YouTube, and if you want to open this trading setup app on your own computer, make sure that you join my free Telegram group. There is a link in the description below. This is where I post all the trading setups, news, and ideas that I am looking at every single day. And we have been killing it in the group, so make sure that you join as soon as possible. So let's go back to the 8-hour chart and talk about the targets. So once we clear this neckline of this cup and handle pattern that's located at 0.401546, I have a few targets here for you in the long term, right? The next target is located at 0.401818, and that's a measured move of approximately 18% after the break above the neckline. The next target is located at 0.402156, and that's a measured move of approximately 40% after the breakout. And the last target that I have here on the chart, and this is my midterm price prediction for PEPE for 2025, is located at 0.402533, and that's approximately a 64% move from the break above this neckline. Of course, those of you who accumulate PEPE and you are not waiting for a breakout, these measured moves can become even greater if this plays out. For example, if you buy in now and you don't care about a good entry, this measured move all the way up to this last target, that's a 124% move. And that's technically that previous high that we saw back in December of 2024. And if the price action pulls back even more, for example, if we see a pullback all the way down here to this key level of support that's located at 0.50907, that's a measured move of over 180% to this last target. Remember, guys, we don't have a crystal ball, so this cap and handle idea can get invalidated at any time. We might see something like that and PEPE starting downtrending until it gets all the way down here, because again, as long as the price action is moving inside this pattern, downtrending, we have to assume that it's going to continue moving inside the pattern until it breaks out. And since we haven't seen a confirmed breakout yet, we just have to assume that this downtrend is going to continue. But Bitcoin, as you see here, experienced a very nice pump recently, guys. It's back up to $108,000. So if Bitcoin breaks above the symmetrical triangle that I have here on the chart, we are going to see altcoins performing very, very well. So we are watching Bitcoin, and before we take any trades on altcoins, we have to take a look at Bitcoin and what Bitcoin is doing, because Bitcoin is the king and drives the crypto market. Again, please do me a solid and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Click the like button. If you have any altcoins that you want me to talk about, make sure that you drop them in the comments below, and I am going to make videos performing technical analysis of them. And also, let me know in the comments below, what is your price prediction for PEPE for 2025? Are you bullish or bearish on it? I really want to know what you guys think. Do you think that PEPE is going to surpass this last target that I have here on the chart, this high that we saw back in December of 2024 that's located at 0.402533, or this is going to be the high 2025? Let me know in the comments below. That's all I had for you today. Thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one, guys. Take care.